Explorers.
Hi, Explorers.
It's Nelly and
Ari.
And today we're going to find out how well we can fly these kites from the Dollar Tree. I picked these up from the Dollar Tree last week and they look pretty cool. We have Barbie and we have Elsa, and we're going to see how well they can fly today. Are we ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so we're going to assemble this on camera. Ooh.
So here it is.
All right, hold on to that.
Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl. So here it is.
So make sure you have an adult with you to read the instructions. And it's been so long. Woo, the wind is fighting against us. It's been so long since I've flown a kite, but we're going to make it work. So this is the finished product ready to be flown. It was pretty easy to assemble. I got a little confused at the end, but I think that was just me. It looks pretty durable. Now we're outside at the park and it's pretty windy. I can see the flags flying. There were no replacement pieces, so just don't lose anything. And we're going to get to flying. You're so healthy. All right, little explorers, we're having a post-flying snack right now. I had a lot of fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Great. So let us know in the comments, what do you think Ari should explore next? Ari, did you like flying the kite?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was it easy? Was it tricky? No, it was easy? Okay. It wasn't as windy as we would have wanted it to be at times, so maybe we'll try it again on a windier day. Definitely the windier the better. It was still really, really fun.
No.
Uh-oh, Ari just dropped her apple.
Mommy's
It's okay.
over here. Hi guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And click and subscribe to see more videos and don't miss no fun things that we did today. And thank you for joining. I'll see you next time. We love you and have a good day.
Bye. Have a good day.